So I just found a really interesting way and unknown method to rank your articles or improve your rankings on Google. So I'm just going to show you AI and how to, take leverage of one of the unknown methods. So what I do is I simply type in so first of all, what you want to do is you want to, open incognito tab. So I have searched top 10 clothes for summer, as it is summer right now. And the next thing what you want to do is you want to go to the video section, right? So here you want to grab this YouTube video link. Now I'm just going to go here and copy this link. You can literally copy any of the top 3 or top 2, right? So let me just show you how the link should be. Now we don't want the and after that, so I'm just going to delete that, and this is going to be our URL, right? Go to the Arvow AI. Now right now I'm inside dashboard, and it's an AI SEO writer, and it has a lot of features including YouTube to blog post, which I'm going to show you in this week. Now click on it, and here you're going to simply enter URL which I have copied. I have entered the URL which I have copied. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add video. Now once I click on add video, it's going to take to waiting page. Now let it load. Now once you're inside waiting page, you have a lot of options right here. Now if you go to the generations tab, it has history of articles which you have already generated, publications, shares, configuration. You can enable auto blogging if you're integrated to WordPress or any other website blogger, okay, any other CMS. You can also post to social media if you're integrated, and article template, and we have settings. But if you want to customize it, what you want to do is you want to select the URL which you have pasted. So right now it's the third one, and you can see right here the edit option. Now once you click on it, you can see the content, formatting, images, you can customize it. But so let me go over here and click on generate article. Now I have clicked generate article, and it's going to take less than a minute, and I'm going to show you how the articles actually look like. So right now if I go to the generations, and I can see at the top it's a recent one, and I can simply click on it, and you can see the article is loading. Alright, we have successfully generated an SEO optimized article using the YouTube URL. Now if I go to you can click right here to enter into full page. Now let me do that. And so right now we are inside the blog post. Now you have a lot of options right here. You have meta description which you can edit, and tags. If you're integrated, you can directly create tags, new tags, or fetch the tags from your WordPress CMS website, and you can select that. And you have feature image generated using AI. It also has stock images which you can manually do that. And you have table of content, which is a pretty good, considering you can literally automate this, and you have YouTube video embedded into this. And we have the paragraph, key takeaways, and H1, H2, and you can see the conclusion. So right now, let's say I want, it is missing FAQs, right? FAQs are really important when it comes to SERP features. So what I can do is, now the FAQs hasn't fetched by this tool because the YouTube video is gonna be less than 5 minutes or 8 minutes, so it's very difficult to take the data and turn it into FAQs, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the AI assistant right here. Now here I'm just gonna simply, now what it does is it's gonna take into consideration about this particular article, and you can literally type anything, give a prompt anything to convert this article into anything, right? Now right now I need FAQs. Now what I'm gonna do is add 3 FAQs at the end of this article. So this is literally a simple prompt, and I'm gonna hit enter and watch the magic this AI SEO editor does. Now it's a really amazing feature. It has an inbuilt AI assistant, each connected to individual blogs, right? So this is a really useful feature. You can literally communicate, you can literally change, humanize it, right? So right now you can see it says I've added a new section title that frequently asked questions, right? So where is it? The end of the article. To create a revision to use AI solutions. you can review the search. You can review the search changes in the editor. Now what I'm gonna do is, right now you cannot see, but if I go to the edit with AI, and let me show you other interesting features too inside the AI inbuilt SEO editor. Now if I come down, you can see it still hasn't added the FAQs. Now what I'm gonna do is, okay, so you have to go inside the AI editor. I'm sorry, by mistake. So you have to go inside the AI editor, Arvow AI editor, and here you want to type in add 3 FAQs to this article, related to this article. So now it's gonna, add. So what is happening is, so before this, we have given the prompt outside the editor. So the AI doesn't have edit access, but inside the AI editor, the AI has edit access. So it auto generates, right now you can see it's a live. It has added the frequently asked questions inside the AI editor, inbuilt AI editor, as we are speaking, right? So this is literally a game-changing feature. And one more thing I'm going to show you, which is a automizer. Okay, you can call it automizer. So what it means, what I'm going to show you is, let's say I didn't like this paragraph, right? So I'm just going to select this whole paragraph, and it will prompt me to rewrite. And inside rewrite, we have make longer, make shorter, make list, and make table. So let me just click on make shorter, and it's going to do that for you. It's going to turn the paragraph into shorter version, right? So it's going to prompt you reject or accept. You can read it. If you like it, you can click on accept or return, right? And then we have add keywords. You can literally add semantic keywords, long-tail keywords. If you want to have extra, then convert that paragraph into a longer version. And you also have added external links. If you click on external links, it will auto add external links, find the best external links from the web real time, and add the links. So this is a very useful AI SEO writing tool which you want to have. The link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out, and also use the coupon code SUN to get 40% on yearly discount with your purchasing. And with that being said, you also have a blog integration for automating your whole SEO blog writing. Okay, so let me know if you want more tutorial on SEO and blogging, so I'll make a complete video. With that being said, if you have any questions, comment below. I'm gonna reply to them. Catch you on the next one.